Did you know that fish can get sunburn?
Did you know that earthworms don't drink water? They absorb it through their skin.
Did you know lizards occasionally stick their tongue in and out just to smell?
Ectotherms have typical behavior in order to survive in their environment. Variety of responses are shown to regulate heat gain and loss from the body. The 4 ectotherms observed at USP are lizards, fish, frogs and earthworms.
If there are lizards in USP that feel like they need to warm up for its metabolism to work better, they go and sit on a rock in the sun. If they need to cool down, they go and sit under a tree in the shade. Yes, lizards are ectotherms that need to obtain their heat externally. Yet, they are vulnerable to predation when basking in the sun and cannot catch prey for long hours as they run out of energy. So next time you're thinking of keeping a lizard as a pet, get ready to provide adequate heaters.
Fish's body temperature is directly proportional to the surrounding water around them. They can regulate their temperature behaviorally by moving to warmer areas or position themselves to reduce heat loss. Compared to humans, ectotherms allow their body temperature to fluctuate even more.
Ever wonder why earthworms remain in the soil? Well, apart from it serving one of its purpose, and that is to aerate the soil, it exhibits an ectothermic nature. Earthworms, they lose their moisture through their skin, therefore they're sensitive to light. When the environmental conditions in an earthworm's habitat change, for example, the soil becomes too hot or too dry, many earthworms become inactive in a process called estivation. Most species, they spend days in the soil or the leaf litter, and usually you'll find them surface at night. They move deeper into the soil, coil into a tight ball, excrete protective mucus, and lower their metabolic rate in order to reduce water loss. They will remain like this until conditions become favorable again.
Frogs are at times being referred to as cold-blooded, but in fact they are not cold-blooded. Their blood temperature is just regulated by their surrounding environment. Frogs can control their body temperature with their bodies. For example, frogs change their color to affect how much solar radiation they receive. They also absorb or evaporate water through their skin. As the temperature changes at different times of the day and night, they move around in their environment to regulate their body heat. That is, frogs go into the shade or water to cool and then bask in the sun to warm up.
Hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you very much for watching.
Lizards, fish, toads and lizards. Did I say lizard 2 times?
Our video. Thank you very much for watching. So